Today I will be talking about protein-rich foods for vegetarians, how you can use them, and most importantly, how to improve the absorption of these foods. Also, I will talk about a natural high protein powder, so keep watching. This is something my clients are often worried about. Am I getting enough protein? Do I need to take a protein powder? It is all the media that promotes protein powders for weight loss, building lean body, and now for boosting immunity. Let me first clear that doubt. If you are consuming protein at each meal, for example, sprouts with poha at breakfast, protein drink at mid-morning, dosa and sambar at lunch, nuts and seeds at mid-evening, dal and rice at dinner, you are getting enough protein. Unless you are an athlete or into bodybuilding, only then your requirement is different. And yes, it is necessary to combine the protein with some amount of carbs so that carbs are used for energy and protein is spared for its functions like growth and repair and immunity. Please understand, all the extra protein which is not utilized by the body will be converted to fat, and it puts more load on the kidneys to flush it out. Now, let's look at some of the vegetarian protein-rich sources and how you can use them. First is the natural protein powder which I was talking about. It is Sattu, which is also known as roasted chickpeas flour. This makes an excellent source of protein. 2 scoops, that is 40 grams of Sattu powder, provides 10.5 grams of protein. This also comes along with 18 grams of insoluble fiber, which can help you in constipation. So, many of you would think chana causes gas, but Sattu powder actually removes gas from the system. It has a low glycemic index and is rich in zinc, so it's very good for people with diabetes. It helps to lower cholesterol and manage high blood pressure too. It is a good source of calcium, magnesium, iron and potassium too. So, people with kidney issues who are on a low potassium diet must avoid it. Sattu is extremely cooling for the stomach, and since summers have set in, I would highly recommend consuming 2 to 4 scoops, 20 gram each scoop daily. You can add it to water to make Sattu water, or add it to buttermilk, add it to your roti flour, Sattu chilla or pancakes. Homemade Sattu peda makes an excellent sweet for kids.
Sattu curry is also a good option.
For interesting recipes, please follow me on Instagram. A frequently asked question is, can Sattu shake replace whey protein isolate? To be honest, the answer is no, because whey protein isolate gets absorbed quickly for muscle recovery, and since Sattu is high in fiber, it gets absorbed slowly. But whey protein isolate is only for people who are into hardcore high intensity training. Quinoa and amaranth, that is Rajgira, are a source of complete protein. That means they have all the 9 essential amino acids which needs to be provided by the way of diet, and has carbs too. But make sure to soak quinoa for 12 to 24 hours to remove the anti-nutrients. You can make a quinoa patty, quinoa salad, quinoa upma, Rajgira roti,
Rajgira curry,
Rajgira laddu, or a Rajgira dosa. This is something we enjoy on a regular basis. Always combine dals and pulses with either rice or roti, as I mentioned, combining protein with carbs. Make chilla, lentil soup, simply dal, add it to your roti. Peas are a good source of protein. If you are thinking eating peas will cause weight gain, it will not. They are high in fiber and will help to resolve constipation. Make peas poha, peas cutlet, peas roti, peas rice, peas vegetable. Nuts and seeds are a good source of protein. Consume them as is in their soaked form, add it to salads, or make a mixed nut powder with saffron and add it to any preparation. One important thing to note is that If you want to make protein available to your body, you need to do two things. One is exercise and the other is sleep adequately. Exercise will improve protein synthesis and sleep will enhance the utilization of protein by the body. It's not about how much protein you consume, it's about the quality of protein, the time you consume it, and how well your body is able to digest, assimilate and absorb the protein. A right gut health is very crucial to digest protein. Protein breakdown requires an enzyme called protease. There are natural foods that contain digestive enzymes like protease. So, when you eat these foods, you will automatically have the enzymes to break down protein. Kiwi is a fruit that has most protease. Other fruits are pineapple and mango. So, if you look at pre-workout snack which will consist of carbohydrates and protein, make sure it's one of these fruits with protein food, or consume one of these fruits post-workout which will help to break down the protein that you will consume later on. Salads also help to break down protein. Basically, raw vegetables contain enzymes which will work in protein digestion. Ginger also works very well. Consume sliced ginger as is or along with salad 10 to 15 minutes before the meal. Ginger is loaded with the enzyme which will help to break down protein. If not ginger, it could be lemon. We generally add lemon to our food. This helps to break down the protein. Take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it in a glass of water. Consume this 30 minutes before meals. This is also very effective in protein digestion. Protein has always been an obsession for reducing body fat or for building muscle. But before increasing the quantity of protein, shift the focus towards improving gut health and protein assimilation. If something is good, it doesn't mean you overdo it. Little protein should give you maximum benefits. I hope I answered all your questions about protein. If there's anything unanswered, do leave a message in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting, do subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do it now so that you don't miss out on my future videos.